snowing. The Winter Palace just finished a round of show. Now we are watching the tree and all the snowflakes falling from the sky. You can see the angels. Cambodia, Louisiana, hello. It's all covered in white. It is perfect. And there are photographers here, some people. We're on 5th Avenue. And I'm not gonna wait for the next round of this of the palace, because yeah, I capture it on HD. So I am gonna walk with you back. I didn't want you to miss this view of Rockefeller Center covered in white. So it's not playing now. Just some lights. Okay, we're gonna go past the tree. We're gonna have a better view on it. I had time to arrange my thoughts a little bit. This is like a little bit overwhelming, all of this. So this place is like extra crowded. You can see more people here. We're gonna go have a better view on the tree and the flags and the plaza. Look, they try to shovel the snow. I saw them a couple of times doing a couple of rounds, but it's coming down. So many flakes. The minute they go there, it's already covered again in snow. That's the situation out here right now. Look, perfect. The wind, the flags, the Christmas tree, gorgeous. I agree with you. Yeah, happy I made it here, basically. Nice. Okay, let's get closer. They have barricades, but you can still view it from the side. Look, they're shoveling the snow, but it's not helping. It's coming down like crazy. Hello, people of the world. Thank you for joining us in New York City to this once in every few years snowstorm covering the city in white. They are kicking people away. They won't let anybody stand there. Somebody got engaged. I saw a ring. Be careful. Oh, the palace is gonna play soon. Oh, this is your perfect Christmas photo. Right there. Oh, Mika. Mika is sleeping. She had her bedtime. And now she's sleeping, missing all the fun outside. Look at the snow. It's like coming from the star. Hey, Philip. How are you? The palace is playing. Yet again. Okay, I know it's hard, but we have to walk away from the music. My time is up. I need to head back home. Yeah, it's playing again. I know. I hate walking away when the palace is playing. I'm like, oh, I'm so close. I want to see it. Oh, tiny snowman. But I have it. I have it. I have it on tape. We're good. This is like what, leftovers from the snow shoveling? How do you call this? Why did I forget the name? The machine that shovels the snow. How do you call it? It's playing. The Winter Palace is playing. How sad that I don't see it. It's behind me, right behind me. Ugh. Yeah, we're gonna pass 6th Avenue again, then 7th Avenue, and at one point we'll not hear the palace playing, and not gonna be disappointed. Not in the eyes. Oh, come on. People are walking like it's a casual day. They couldn't care less about the snow. They just walk in. Yeah, it just depends where you stand. Some places are no issue, and some places are like the wind is hitting you really strong. There is a line to Magnolia Bakery. If you want your banana pudding, you have to wait in line. Subway is open. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna walk the walk. And whoa, it's so slippery in here, you guys. Jeez. They shoveled, but it's super slippery. Okay, let's see how we're doing this. Half a journey is clear. It's still playing, I can hear it. But the wind is gonna pick up. Actually, right about now it should pick up. I'm gonna keep walking straight north. Shovel the snow here. This place is clear, but it also has like a protection from above. Whoa, it's slippery. Almost lost it. This is really slippery. I need a chain to my boot. Okay, this was fun. It was fun and a little bit overwhelming, I'll say. Oh, look at the scene. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. New York is so pretty. Just want to see you all the time. Okay, let's figure which side of the street is better. That side. So crossing again. Okay, this is tricky. You don't see where the holes in the ground are because the snow. This thing, how do you call it? I forgot the name. We didn't have a snow for a long time. I'm gonna walk behind them. Yay! It's clear. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Look at the tables and the chairs with the Christmas lights. Oh my god. People are shoveling and shoveling, and it's still coming and coming. And it's only what? 7:15 p.m. See, I have a pet. Oh, thank you, Bobby, for sending stars. Really appreciate it. It's a starry walk. So walking with the stars. Okay, oh, this is it. This is the end of the. They only shovel the snow up into here, and here it's like what, an inch of snow, about, maybe more, 2 inches. Somebody shoveled, but it's already all over. Oh, there's another one of these. Cross to see how slippery it's here. Good. Oh, relief. Oh my God. I needed some relief from the snow. Oh. It's all going down so fast. Everything feels so fast. Okay, this was a nice shelter. Let's go back to the street. The other one is closed. Yeah, so, okay. Let's do a cover-up of all the places we went to today during this 3 live episode of snow. The first one was when the snow just started. We went to Central Park and we saw starting to cover the park in beautiful white. And then it was extra windy at Grand Army Plaza. So I went right back home. We saw a little bit of the decorations on 5th. And then we got out again. The snow was really out here covering the streets. We walked on Broadway to Times Square and then to 6th Avenue. That was the second live. And the third live, I started from Rockefeller Center with the Rockefeller Center Christmas tree and then walking between the avenues. We are now on 7th Avenue. I had a green light. I'm gonna cross. Wow, this is a huge hole of snow. Whee! I haven't seen so much snow so long. I do have a green light. Look, it's like that's a lot of snow. Wherever you look, it's like a desert with buildings. I told Moshe I'm gonna be back home at 7 p.m. This is not gonna happen. Sorry, Moshe, I'm sorry. Overwhelming amount of snow. That's what I have to say. '52nd Street, yay! Okay, we are on 52nd and Broadway. I'm gonna say goodbye because this is like one of my favorite intersections. So I'm gonna take some photos here, and then from here I'm going straight home. Thank you guys so much for joining and supporting, and see you tomorrow from White, New York City. Take care, you guys. Bye.